Hola, mi nombre es Reggie. Today we're making macaroni and queso. First thing to do is pour the macaroni elbows into the water so they can boil. Then you have to stir so they can boil accordingly. The noodles have now come to a boil, so next I will place them in the strainer to drain the water out. I'm now placing the macaroni noodles into the aluminum pan. So we can now begin to add the ingredients. I'm now going to add the manteca to the noodles and stir it until it melts all over. I'm now going to set the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so here goes the butter right here. I'm almost done mixing it in, but it's going to melt anyway. Now I'm going to add my seasonings, which is garlic salt. Add that. Okay. And seasoning salt. The reason I'm saying salt is because that's how you say salt. And that's how you say salt in Spanish, Espanol. I'm now going to whisk my huevo, which is egg in Spanish. And I'm now going to add harina, which is flour. But I'm going to mix this first. And now I'm going to add the harina, which is flour. 1 teaspoon. One tablespoon. Now I want to mix it up again, just so I can get blended evenly. I will now be adding evaporado leche, which is evaporated milk. Then stir it up. And I will now add regular milk, little by little, just to make sure that isn't too dry or too soupy. I'm now going to add 1 pack of queso, sharp queso. Mix it in. Then I'll add the next pack of sharp queso. So I can make sure you have lots of cheese, so it can be cheesy, because it's macaroni and cheese. I'm now going to add a little bit more of leche. Because it's starting to seem a little dry. I will now add my cubed queso. Stir. You have to always make sure you stir so it will be evenly blended out throughout. Okay. I'm actually going to add one more pack of sharp queso because I don't feel like it's as if it's cheesy enough. You want it to be nice and cheesy so it tastes great. Add a little bit more leche. Milk. Because it's seeming dry. I've now covered the macaroni and cheese with aluminum foil. So I will now put it in the oven. Macaroni and cheese is now done.